Hi fellow YouTubers, come close. Let's look at how to edit your YouTube video using your smartphone. So I'm going to walk you through a step by step on how you can use your smartphone to edit either a short video or a long form video and post it on YouTube. If you are struggling on how you can edit it, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you have any question, any problem concerning your YouTube account or your YouTube growth, let's know in the comment section. Without wasting my time, let me take you through my screen and show you everything. Let's dive in. So I'm going to use this free tool here called CapCut. So CapCut is what we are going to use to edit this video. That's the tool that I'm using to edit all my videos. You check here, I've used this tool to edit my video, and it helps you to add caption, auto caption, and other stuff to your videos and stuff. Okay, so let's get started. To add a new video or a new project, hit on new, add new. So let me just import this my intro video. Yes, I'm going to use this one here. Let me hit on add. Okay, so this is the video that I'm going to use here. So this is the video. You can play it and see everything. Okay, when I play it, it will make noise on the background, so let me leave that one. So this is the video. Okay, so when you are playing the video, you can play the video and know what is happening on your video, right? Before you can edit every video, you need to make sure after you have imported the video, you play the video from start to the end, so that you know where the problem is. When you are editing it, you find it easy to edit it. So let me play this video and see where the problem is. A real and good at copies and stuff. So if you want more of this, check out the video that will teach you 10 mistakes that you do when creating. Okay, so this is the video that when I play it, you see everything out here, right? So I'm going to edit this video, and don't worry, I will show you how you can even add a thumbnail if you want to paste it on your short or any other platform like Facebook Reel or other stuff. So let's get in. So I'll come in. When I play it, mistakes that we do when creating an ask. So okay, figure out all these mistakes. One, poor. Okay, so here, let's say I want to edit it here. I will tap on it and come to split. That means I'll separate it into two, then play it. So if you want more of it, okay, so here I'll break it here and hit on this one. Just check out the video and mistake that we do when creating. Okay, so that means this video there's no a lot of mistakes are not in, but I will show you. I will just doing it for you to understand it. In case you have a mistake and you have some mistake here, or you said something you want to change it, all that you need to do is tap on the video and hit on split. Okay, and come to the other one and hit on split, so it will separate these two videos for you. If you want to remove it or delete it, just hit on that one. You have the delete and button at the down there, you hit on it, it will just delete that video for you. If you don't want to delete it, you made a mistake and you delete it, you hit on this one here, you hit on it, it will bring it back again. Okay, so when you are playing it, mistakes that we do when creating that means I brought it back. Okay, I can do this to take it off, undo deleting mistakes that you can ask. So okay, you see that there's a mistake here, so I can bring it back again, right? So that's it. This thing, YouTube video, is just a simple editing that you can do. Now let's add transition that make our video look good right here. So let me tap on this one. It will bring out this one here, and this one we have the pro and we have the free one. If you haven't subscribed to the pro, don't use the pro version. If you try it, you will not be able to download your video. So let me take this one, okay, and hit on this. So when I play the video, you see this transition. Okay, and if I want to add more at this section, I'll just come in and choose the one that I think it is good for me. I'll just choose this one and hit on this. I can increase it. You can increase it at the down here. Okay, let me tap on it and edit it. In case you want to increase it, you can increase it. Okay, so when you play it, you see that figure out all these mistakes. Okay, so that's it, right? And that's for the transition. You can add the transition to where you hit and separate it, or any point that you end at a point and you want to continue at another point, you can use the transition for it, right, to make your video look good and stuff. Okay, and for using CapCut, after you have done with it, tap on this one, because anytime you see the CapCut logo out here, tap on it and delete it before you can import the video. So we have done with the transition and other stuff of our video and creating an ad. Okay, so let's check out it. Okay, so you see how the transition is. It is separating our video and stuff that we use. We don't for us. Okay, and put ad copies and stuff. So if you want more of this, check out. Okay, so that if you want to add another video, just hit on add, the plus sign, then you choose the video that you want to use and add it. I don't want to add any video to this one, I'll just leave it. And you want to add effects to it, you come to the effect. We have video effect here. It will give you a lot of video effect. If you are subscribed to the pro version, you choose a pro effect. If you haven't and it is you look for a free version, you can use that free version. You can use the free version, check out and choose the one that you love and use it for any mistake that we okay, so you see how it has changed it. Okay, when I play it, you see the effect out there. Check out the video and you can reduce it. You can reduce your effect by what, hit at the net and not scroll it. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to change it, you can hit on replace and change it. So let's go back and come to the overlay in case you want to add another something at the screen of this video to show to people. You can use that one. So I hit on this one. So in case I want to add this photo to it, I'll just tap on the photo and hit on add. So this photo has been the overlay of it. So okay, so when I'm talking, you see that this photo will be the overlay of it. That's what talking about something. In case you have any and overlay video that you want to use, you can use this one. Okay, and when you are playing it and it reach at where the overlay, that image need to show, you see that image out here, right? So let me bring it here. I'll tap on it and tap on the video and drag it here. Okay, so when I play it, you see it here. In case you want to add another overlay, you hit on add overlay, then I'll use your two hand, tap on it, reduce it. Okay, if you open your hand, you see that what increasing. If you do that, okay, to demonstrate to people or your viewers that this is what you are talking about. Okay, so when it is playing, you can see it and you can mute the song of this one. So in case I don't want the sound to play, I'll just hit on that one, then scroll out here and you see separate audio out here. Then you hit on it. It is on a play version. Okay, so let me hit on separate. I cannot separate it. Okay, but you can reduce the volume of that video by coming to this section called volume and take it off. We don't use a real. Okay, so you see that it will be playing without, so if you want more, and the audios are not what playing. Okay, so you see it out there. Okay, so that's for adding overlay video or adding something called overlay to your video. And for caption, you come to the caption. We have the auto caption and other stuffs. And if you are on the free version and you reach your limit, you cannot use you can use the auto caption, but you cannot put your video to your gallery. Okay, so you go to auto generate, it will generate everything for you. I don't want to do that one. Okay, I don't want to do that one now. So it will generate everything for you. If you have some in your account or in your gallery, you want to import it, just come to import caption. Then you import your own caption. Let's say the video is not your own video, and you get a caption somewhere, you want to import it, you can import it. And we have the rotation or the revolution. That's what the size of the video, right? And for YouTube, you can use this one. You see how the screen had been, how it has changed the thing. We have the automatic one. Okay, then you can select it and choose the one that is out best for you. Okay, so I'll go for the original one, then I hit on next. and we have the filter. I think I've talked about that one. Okay, and we have the sticker. You tap on it, you can add any sticker that you want, and share, follow, and other stuff. And a lot of them, majority of them are on the pro version. Okay, so you can choose and add a caption that you want to use for your video. And if you come to here, we have the text template. Okay, we have the draw. So if I hit on sticker, we have the draw. In case I'm pointing about something that I want my viewers to see, I can draw it so that it will show to them that this is what I'm talking about, and you can change the color of it. So when I use this one, you see the color of it, and you can increase the size. Okay, the opacity is 100. You can increase the size of it. You can come to pattern and choose other pattern that you want to use. We have the pro and free version too. You can select any one that you want to use. Let's go back. Then we have the background. That's what I'm changing the background of it. Okay, we have the blur here. You can change the background, make the background blur, or to leave it. And to do that, to see the result that you're looking for, you come here, then you change it. Let's say I choose this one. You see that my background has changed. Okay, so you see, so that's all about the YouTube video editing, and you can use it to edit your short form video, your long form video, or any other video that you want to use. In case you want to remove your background of the video too, you can do that one just simple. And if you want an audio, or you have an audio that you want to use, or you need to extract the audio, you can hit on extract to take off that audio, or to separate the audio and the video for you to see it. Okay, and you want to use text to audio, you can use that one too. Then you include your text here. It will suggest this one for you to choose the one that you want to use. So in case you want to edit it, this is how you can edit your video on YouTube. Very simple and easy, but there's no need for you to be making a huge editing on YouTube, finding it difficult to edit your videos and stuff, and letting or hiring people to do that and be charging you a huge amount. As a starter, you can just practice it on your phone. Very easy and simple, and make sure your audio is clear for your viewers to see and understand what you are talking about. So this is the easier way that you can edit your video on your smartphone. To import your video, you come to import here, you hit on import. So now my video is importing. I've imported my video. Okay, so this is the way to edit your video. Very simple and easy to do. One thing I did not talk about it, in case you have done with your videos and you want to edit, or you want to get the pro feature that this CapCut didn't allow you to get, but you still need it for your video, you still need it in your video, you can do that. This is how you do that. Okay, so you come in and hit on, make sure you get a recorder, okay, a screen recorder that you are going to use to record everything that is what done here. Okay, then you go to this site, hit on it, then you play your video. When playing it, you make sure you activate your screen recorder. Whilst you are playing it, you see that the screen recorder will record everything. From then you come back to your CapCut account, your CapCut platform, and import the video again, and just delete the unnecessary part or edit the unnecessary part from it. Then you get your video. Okay, so to access the pro version and you don't have money, this is the easier way that you can access it. I made a full video about that one. You can check it in this channel so that you can get everything to edit it and stuff. So guys, this is how you can edit your YouTube video using CapCut, and it's a free tool that you can use it to edit your videos. If you have watched to this far and this video have gained a value to you, kindly subscribe and turn off the notification bar. Anytime we post a video, how we can grow our YouTube channel and stuff, so you get access to it. If you have any problem, any suggestion, any question, put it in the comment section. We will come in and answer you. Thank you for watching out. See you in our next amazing video.